What is a non-recourse loan? First of all, recourse is the lender's legal right to collect the borrower's pledged collateral if the borrower does not pay on their debt obligation. In layman's terms, that means if you get a car loan and you don't pay it, they get to take your car back. When you get a non-recourse loan to help finance an investment property in your self-directed IRA, the lender will not be looking at your FICO score or your W-2 income. Their only concern is the property, the loan to value, and usually they want to be sure it will be an income-producing property. Why? A non-recourse mortgage loan actually favors the borrower rather than the lender. This type of loan assures the borrower loses only their collateral. This means that if you default on the loan and the lender forecloses on the home, that's all they can do. If the lender sells the foreclosed property and doesn't make their money back on the defaulted amount, it's their loss. No legal action can be taken against you or your IRA for those lost funds. Their only recourse is to take the property. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have questions, you can reach us by using the information below, or you can always join us at mountainwestira.com. Thanks.